This is how to create stunning adverts with AI. Watch video till the end to learn more.
Welcome to Jenny's Restaurant. Your taste of home right here with us.
If you're looking for that authentic flavor, that delicious meal that reminds you of Mama's kitchen, then you are in the right place. From our rich smoky jollof rice to our spicy afang soup, our perfectly grilled fish, and even our finger-licking eforiro. We've got all your favorites, cooked with love and fresh ingredients every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Come on down to Jenny's Restaurant today and experience the difference. Great food, great drinks, and exceptional catering for all your needs. Come down to Jenny's Restaurant.
In this video, I am going to show you how to create stunning adverts for your business and products or anything at all using AI for free. Trust me, you don't need to be an expert in artificial intelligence to get this done. All you need to do is to watch this video from the very beginning till the end. I am going to show you how to prompt your videos in a way it is going to give you the exact result like the one you just watched from the beginning of this video. Without wasting your time, welcome to my channel. This is SP Studios. On this channel, I teach people how to create amazing content with trending AI tools. I also teach people how to, make money online and other ways to actually grow on YouTube. Without wasting your time, let us dive into the video. So to get started, we are going to access Flow AI video like this. Just like we have accessed it in our other videos. You open it, you click on it to open, and then wait for it to load. When the page loads, the next thing to do is to click on create new project. So it is going to bring you to an interface like this after it loads. Now, the next thing to do is to paste your prompt here. It's a type in the prompt box to start. So when you load it like this, you're going to come here and just look at the things that you need to do. First of all, you have to make sure that it is on text to video, and then you click on this side. You make sure that it is on view 3. You can either choose any of these ones. The one that says text to video, audio beta, view 3 quality. So this text to video is what we'll be using because it is going to help us save enough credit on this platform while we are creating our video. This second one is also good, but it is going to consume a lot of your credit. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one at the top. And then you make sure that the output is 1 per prompt. Now, the next thing to do is to generate your prompt. For you to write your prompt, it is either you use your head to write it or you use AI to generate your own prompt. For this video, we are going to use AI to generate our own prompt. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using AI in order to simplify things for us. I am going to be using the Gemini AI because I found out that it is more detailed when it gives me the prompt I'm going to use for this view 3 tutorial. I am going to show you the kind of prompt you are going to use to generate the video you watched from the beginning of this video. So we are going to search for Gemini AI like this on our Google Chrome. As you can see here, I'll click on Gemini AI. It is going to bring me to this page. Just scroll down and come to this very one here. Gemini, this one that says Google Gemini. You click on it and it's going to load and bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, I'm already logged into Gemini. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and type in a prompt. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompts on the screen for you guys to see. This is what the prompt look like. You can also copy it, edit some things, and then generate your own kind of videos. So this is the prompt I'll be using for this particular Jenny's Restaurant ad prompt. This is what it says. I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Jenny's Restaurant. They sell food, drinks, and cater for events. The lady speaking should be in the restaurant. I want to create this video with view 3. Please provide me a prompt to use and what the lady should say. Remember, this is Nigerians. This is the prompt it gave me. It said view 3 prompt, Jenny's Restaurant. I'm going to be leaving this prompt in the description box just in case you want to make use of this and create your own video. So this is how to make use of this prompt. I would like you to pay attention to this particular process. Now, this particular part is very important because this is where you are going to copy the prompt the way it is going to give you the exact result you need for this particular video. Like I said, I am going to put this prompt in the description box. so that you can make use of it whenever you want, edit it to your own style, and give to View 3 to give you your own video. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I am going to copy this prompt the way it is not going to affect my video, because mind you, View 3 AI only allows 8 seconds video. So what I'm going to do is, you see this place where it says character. On this place where it says character, I am going to scroll down, because this prompt actually gave me what the lady in my video is going to say about her restaurant. So what I'm going to say is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this very first sentence here, where it says, welcome to Jenny's restaurant, our taste of home, right here with us. So I'm going to copy this particular prompt. When I copy it, I'll come over here and put it here. So let me go ahead and copy this prompt and show you how I'm going to do that. I'll go ahead and copy this prompt. See how I'm copying it. Copy it from here to this point, like this. I'll copy it to the very last part here, where it says mood, warm, inviting, authentic. So you're going to see everything in the comment box. So please, if you're getting any value from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your opinion below. So let me head over to my notepad and show you how you're going to edit this particular prompt and add that sentence to it. So as you can see, I have already pasted my prompt in my notepad. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead and all this unnecessary text here, I am going to delete it one by one. So even the first one I gave it's copied it. Just make sure you remove all these things, just like I'm doing it now. Then now, the next thing you're going to do now is to add that text. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is I'll scroll down and come to where it says character. This particular one here, where it says character, I'll go ahead and edit it and say, she should say like this, and then I'll go ahead and quote it like this. When I quote it, I'll go ahead and open my clipboard and paste this particular one here. I'll go ahead and paste it. This is what she is going to say in this particular video. And then I put the last quote here and then copy it again and then go straight to View 3 AI and generate this video. So let us do that now. I'll just copy everything. So we are now back on Flow AI. The next thing to do right now is to go ahead and paste this prompt here. I'll paste the prompt and then go ahead and make sure that the video is on View 3 AI fast text to video. This one is only going to cost us 20 credits to generate. And then the last one here is literally going to cost you, this View 3 quality is going to cost you 100 credits, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use this very first one here that says View 3 fast text to video. Then I'll click on this place and make sure that it is on text to video. I also click on this to make sure that everything is just perfect. The output must be 1, very important. Okay, after that I'll go ahead and click on this button here to generate the video. Let's see what it gives us. So as you can see, the video is now generating. I'm going to log out now and then come back later and show you what we have done. Okay, our video is ready. Let us go ahead and play it and see what we got from View 3 this time. I'll just go ahead and click on this button here.
Welcome to Jenny's restaurant. Your taste of home, right here with us.
Okay, this is beautiful. I should have added more text to what she had to say, because as you can see here, there was at least 3 seconds by the end of the video, but that's not a problem. I'm going to show you how to edit this on Capcut to get the exact result like the beginning of this video. So the next thing to do now is to go back to our prompts on that notepad. Let me show you what to do there. So I'll click go back to my notepad. Yeah, when you open your notepad where you copied your prompt and pasted it, just come here, scroll down and go to the script below here where it says what the lady should say. Go ahead and copy the second text here. Make sure it is something she can say in the next 8 seconds. I'm going to copy and stop here. I think she can say that in the next 8 seconds. I'll copy it like this and then go to go back to Flow AI. I'll come here on Flow AI and then click on this particular button here. I'll click on it. So I'll just scroll and change what she said. This particular place, I will just click on this. Yeah, and then remove this particular text and then add another one. Just like that. You are going to repeat this process for all the clips you are going to create. Do you understand? Or until you actually make use of all the scripts. That's how you create an advert. So let me go ahead and generate this one again and see what View 3 AI is going to give us. Make sure it is on text to video and then View 3 AI fast X to prompt like this. Everything is okay. And then I'll make sure text to video, everything is okay. So I'll go ahead and click on this button here to generate the second part of the video. I'll wait for you to load. So I'll come back and show you what we generated. Please, if you are getting any value from this video, kindly like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. Okay, our second video is ready. Let me go ahead and click on this video to see what we have here. So
if you're looking for that authentic flavor, that delicious meal that reminds you of Mama's kitchen, then you are in the right place.
okay, this is stunning. I love it. Very nice. You can see the character is consistent. So we're going to go ahead and download it. Okay. Make sure you download on the original size so that it will not waste your credit. So the next thing to do now is to go ahead and copy the remaining part of the script. Make sure you are copying what she can say within the next 8 seconds, sorry. So it will not, make your video look somehow. So repeat this for every video until you exhaust the whole script. Now, this is how you create an advert using AI. So after doing this, the next thing to do is to go to our Capcut and edit the video. And then you head over to Capcut and pick your videos like this one by one. It's very simple. Just compile it according to how you created it and then go ahead and put it inside here like this. You can add anything you want to add, but for me, I'm not adding anything because I'm satisfied with the way the video looks. You go ahead and click on export and export the video.